Hello and welcome to computer class. My name is Dave and today we're talking about how to find files on your computer in Windows 10. So let's get started. What I would do to find files on your computer, first of all, is use the directory structure or file structure. So in order to do that, we go to File Explorer by clicking the folder, and then you'll see these four helpful folders right here at the top under the Quick Access. You click on downloads. Maybe you downloaded the file, so it would be there. Maybe you saved it into the documents folder accidentally, or pretty much some programs default, like Word will default to the documents folder, so maybe you saved it here. Maybe it's a picture, so you stuck it into the picture folder, or if you took a screenshot or something like that, it would be saved here. And maybe it's a video. If you're using some sort of a video program, it was saved here. So again, the first thing to kind of do is to shift through these four and say, is it there? And as a side note to finding files in these four folders, there's also a helpful little search feature here. So if you can't find it, here I have obviously a document called Staff Week here. So I'm going to search Staff Week and see, notice it finds that document. So there's a helpful little search feature as well in each one of these folders. You can search in the documents folder, you can search in the downloads folder, pictures and video. Okay, if that's not working for you, another helpful way to search through your computer's files and find things is Cortana down here. So I could search for, again, that same document, staff, and here it is. It's finding different files on the word staff. Another way you can search is by file type. If you type pptx and then start the name of your file, so staff, and there we go. There is a staff document that's popping up. If you just start typing it, it's searching. Another helpful one to search by is PDF. That's a pretty typical one. You can search by, it brings up the latest PDFs that you've done, so maybe it's something recent you've done, and then it'll pop up. Or you can start typing the name, just give it an S, and there it is. There's a physical science test right there. So it's finding stuff that's very, very related to my search. Another helpful one is words format, so DOCX. That would be docs, and then S, and you'll notice there's lots of wording coming up based on that search too. So again, you can search by file structure. You can search in the file structure by searching through the folders. You can search Cortana for the file, or you can use Cortana to search using the file type. And then lastly, if all else fails and you're trying to find a file, you can go into the folder, you can click on, and you kind of drill down and go to the C drive here. You can click on users and then pick out the user. This could be helpful if you're trying to find someone's files, but they're a different user than yours, and that's where they've stored their folders or files. Here, if I go into this one called your mom here, then I could see there's download, documents, pictures, videos. Did I miss one here? Oh, we've got music as well, and downloads. Okay, so these are typical folders you would want to go search in and potentially help that person find their files. You would then copy and paste them. And something else to note here, it's really helpful to name your files something that you can remember. A lot of people name things document 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's just not going to give you very much capability to find things. So make sure that when you're naming files, you really name them something that you can remember in your own mind. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. Hopefully you learned something today. And as always, I will see you in the next video.